This tutorial is to teach you to make cardboard sculptures. The technique that I'm going to teach you today is called the slide. And the materials that you're going to need is 2 different sizes or same sized cardboards, scissors, and a base that already has a piece of 3D cardboard already on it. Now the purpose of a slot is to be able to connect cardboard pieces on top of each other. You do not need any glue for this part. However, hot glue will help to keep things secure if you don't want anything to move. Now for the first step, you'll take 1 piece of cardboard and you're going to make a slit, which is a small cut that is not too big and is not too small. And a slit allows your cardboard to move in the little directions. The second step is to make the same type of slit in the second cardboard. The third step, if you're going to attach it to another piece of cardboard that is already on a base, you'll make your slits in that cardboard. And you have to decide where you're going to make your slits in order for your rising piece to look correct and to be secure. Now, if you wanted to put the 2 cardboard pieces together, all you have to do is make sure the slits are open just a little bit, and then slide the slits together until it stops. Now sometimes you have to cut a little bit deeper, especially if you want the surfaces to meet. As you can see right now, my surfaces do not meet at the bottom, so I want to cut it down a little bit more. So I'll take it apart. And you only have to cut one. You don't have to cut both. But if you choose to cut both, you can. Put it back together. Measure it again. And there we go. Both of my surfaces meet. Now that's one way to make a slot. Another way is if you want to attach it to a base and an object that already has a base that already has a cardboard object on it. So you'll slide that piece into the slit that you already made on your cardboard object. And if you want to make it bigger, you'll keep on sliding other pieces onto it. And that is called a slot.